Hey, this Motel Granted the Great again with another hiccup conversation. Do you ever get tired of the way it is? And that could be boredom. Do you ever get bored with the way that it is? Every day it seems like it's the same. Like, feel like nothing is different. It look like the wind don't even blow the blades of grass in a different direction. Like, it's just all the same. Like, everything still costs a lot of money, but there's no real good service for the extra money that's being charged. You ever just tired of the way it is? Man. Like, what's his name? New York rapper, I forgot it. And he said something like, I was thinking I should change my life. And he said, I was thinking more so I should change my wife. And what I mean by this, in this particular situation, not a physical wife or a husband for those that want to use that word. It's just a change, something different. I mean, do y'all like the same thing? You like living in the same place, eating the same food, talking to the same people, doing the same thing. You know, that's a hiccup to me. So it's a hiccup in the conversation when you get sick and tired of the same thing. And this sometimes in the relationship world leads to cheating. And I can hear the women now saying, well, you need to communicate. The guy needs to talk and say he want to make a change so she can be slick enough to go ahead and slam a hammer on top of his head before he do her. 'Cause trust me, her little Rolodex can multiply faster than yours can. So really all she's saying is give me a heads up. Let me know you're going to try to fuck me in the deal so I can go ahead and get you. That's really what she's saying. That's what she means. So people want the truth. My buddy Anthony, Amazing Anthony, he liked the truth too. Super Key just always say, just tell how it is. Say how it is. Travia just say, do what's in front of you. And do you get tired of things being the way that it is? That's what I'm asking. Love y'all.